Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16 to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. What's going on, Capricorn? Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Some of you. So under the deck, Knight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Seven of Cups. I think right now some of you have options or you are in some confusion here. You have no clarity for something, Capricorn. Or right now you're going through some issues in your life, maybe in relationship wise, your person is backstabbed on you, cheated on you or lied to you. Right now you want to focus on your own thing, you want to focus on your abundance, you want to focus on your career. Someone is rushing to communicate with you, Capricorn. Knight of Swords. This person is rushing towards you. And for some it could be a brand new person and for some it could be a past person depending upon your situation. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Four of Swords, Temperance and Two of Swords. So lots of you are in no contact situation or you taking off from the situation. You just doing your own thing. You are taking care of yourself, you and your well-being in recent past. Or some of you are trying to balance things within yourself and you are being very patient because you don't know which decision you have to make because you are at some crossroads. Two of Swords. You have to make some choice or decision, but there is no clarity. That's why you are being very patient and you are taking rest and you are healing. Then present Ten of Wands, Five of Pentacles and Two of Wands. Maybe lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, states or countries. Yeah, definitely they neglecting you or they treating you as an option here. Some cold shouldering energy. Some of you only the person always investing in this energy. This person is always in and out of your life. So it is becoming the burden on your shoulder. Then future, the Star, Queen of Wands and the Lovers. There is wish fulfillment for you, Capricorn. And finally, you're taking your power back. Finally, you're taking the control of the situation here. Yeah, still there is love, but you want to choose yourself instead of them. So that's why you're choosing yourself and you're taking your power back here. And things are changing for you. Yes, eventually things are changing for you in a very positive way. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Nine of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles. Now they want partnership with you. Now they want to offer stability. They're thinking about stability. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Wow. So let's see their intentions also. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn, under Capricorn, the Devil. Eight of Wands with Ace of Wands. So they want passionate new beginnings and they want to communicate with you. Lots of communication is coming and they're obsessed with you, Capricorn, and they're waiting for their turn. Maybe they're waiting for divine timing here. I want clarification card for Five of Swords. Okay. So their current feelings, Ace of Cups, the Empress, and Ace of Pentacles. They do love you, but for some they are not expressing because they are in Empress or Emperor energy, which is very stubborn. That's why they are not expressing, but they do love you here and they really want to offer long term with you because Ace of Pentacles, they're thinking about long term with you. And their intentions, the Hangman, Five of Swords, and King of Pentacles. Five of Swords clarified by King of Swords, Knight of Wands, and Justice. Maybe you are dealing with Libra here. So right now your person is feeling stuck and they have regrets for what they did to you because in past they did hurt you or they neglected you. Now they want to give second chance to you and they're coming towards you with a lot of passion and they want to express their love to you. And King of Pentacles, they're ready to offer stability here. Yeah. They want to give justice to you. Maybe some of you, one person in this connection going through some legal issues. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you and they are serious about you because Knight of Pentacles. This time your person is very serious about you. They want to take leap of faith here and they're rushing to communicate with you and lots of communication is coming because Knight of Swords with Eight of Wands, lots of communication. I think they are changing for you because in past they did hurt you. Now they're changing for you. The moon, maybe you are dealing with Pisces, but you have some fears here. Yes, you are in the process of decision making here, Capricorn, because you have some fears, you have some illusions regarding this person. That's why you are taking your time and you are feeling neglected. Definitely, that's why you are in very sad situation. You are drained, you are very tired, and their behavior is a tower moment for you because cold shouldering energy. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Capricorn. King of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Yeah, new beginnings. They won't give up on you. They're ready to offer what you want, but it's up to you. Definitely, you're both missing each other, but not expressing. You're taking your power back. You're just doing your own thing. You're still going through some transformation. That's why you're taking your time, but they're coming back to you to offer new beginnings. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Holding back, healing, and past person return. Holding back, healing, and past person return. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. If you want to achieve something big in your life, this is the message for you. Step out of your comfort zone and do your hard work consistently. And second message, look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. And under the deck, it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio. Maybe you have some fears or some negativity in you, especially about your life, about your person. You are getting a lot of negative thoughts or you are thinking about negatively. This is the message for you. It's time to release all the negativity in you and negative thoughts. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.